Good morning, everyone, team. Can any one of you please confirm, am I audible to everyone, team?
Yes, Kumar, you are audible.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Rohit. Yes, team. Well, first of all, a warm welcome to everyone to Triotech Software Trainings. And today we are here to have a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before starting the demo today, let me briefly introduce about myself, team. And one more thing is, as today we have the participants in the batch, I could not able to have one-on-one discussion with you at now, team. After the session, we can have one-on-one discussion. So probably I personally believe that many of you have already contacted to us and we had a word already. If anyone not yet contacted and directly attending the demo today, you can reach out to us in this number that you are seeing on the slide, team. And even our admin team will be sharing you the Google form in the chat button. So you can please fill your details over there so that we can able to reach out to you to have one-on-one discussion related to any sort of doubts you have before starting this program, team. So putting aside all these things, before starting the agenda for today's demo, so as I told you, let me briefly introduce about myself, who I am, what is the experience that I'm having in this particular technology. So what I can additionally give you the knowledge from the point of upskilling your career in this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications training, and as well in the point of preparing you for interviews and preparing you for industry ready team. So let me go to the slide. Just a second, team. I think some of the participants pinging in the chat board. Okay. So let me move on to about trainer. So as I told you, myself is Kumar, and I'm having total 14 years of experience in this industry team. And among that, from the last 12 years, I have been part of this IT consulting. And within that also, since last 8 years team, I have been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. Prior to that, I've been working for other ERPs team like eBusiness Suite and PeopleSoft. But since last 8 years, I've been extensively working on the projects of Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. And I got an opportunity during this period to work for close to 10 plus end-to-end implementation and rollout support projects as well, team. And coming to the clients that I work for in my experience, I have multi-legislative exposure, team. Means the clients that I have worked for are from US, UK, Australia, Finland, and even the Middle East countries like UAE, Qatar, Oman. So I can say that I'm having a multi-country exposure in this particular technology team. And I'm also a corporate trainer who delivered close to 25 plus trainings for several companies team, like in order to upskill their employees in this particular Oracle HCM cloud technology. I have given corporate trainings for the employees for many MNCs in the market team. And I'm also a official certified Oracle University trainer as well, where I conducted several training programs with Oracle for different participants across the globe who planning to switch their career into this technology team. And coming to my employment team, I'm an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, and E&Y employee. Currently, also, I'm working for an MNC where I've been involved in one of the global implementation currently team. So in a gist, this is what brief introduction about myself. What is the expertise that I have in this technology and how many real-time projects that I have been part of this technology team. Okay. Yeah, I can see a question in the chat. Yes, team, we wanted to put everyone in the mute. We will be unmuting you at the session, at the end of the session. Please park your questions. We can have one-on-one discussion after end of the session, team. Okay. So let me move on to the agenda for today's demo, what we are going to see in today's session. So in today's demo session team, first I will be talking about introduction to ERP, because our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications comes under ERP family team. So people already having prior experience in other ERP technologies, you already aware of this. But the participants joined today, we have a mix of population team, like freshers joined today, experienced people in other domains joined, and experienced people within the other ERPs joined team. Considering everyone in mind, I want to give you a brief intro about what is ERP, what are the different products that are available in the market, like our Oracle Fusion applications, that all we will see here team. And then I will talk about Oracle Fusion applications evaluation overview. Here I will be talking about team, what is first of all Fusion application means, okay, in which year Oracle introduced this product in the market, and what are the routes that were laid down by the Oracle in order to come up with this new product in the market. That all we will be talking about here team. Prior to Oracle Fusion applications, what are the products that Oracle having in the market? That all introduction about the application we will be talking about here team, in what is Fusion application and Fusion application evaluation overview. Okay. And then team, I will be talking about on-premise versus cloud deployment option. It means whenever a customer buy this Oracle Fusion applications in order to use in their in-house business operations team, how the application will be delivered to them. Okay, we have two deployment options available in Oracle Fusion applications team, on-premise and a cloud. So I will talk about the difference between the two here team. And then I will be talking about types of companies involved. What is that team? Types of companies means Oracle Fusion applications is a product which is selling by Oracle Corporation team. So who will be the customer to this product? Okay, who is called as client? Who is a vendor? Who is the consulting partner? Where we will be working once we learn this technology. That all I'm going to talk here in types of companies involved team. And then I will talk about Fusion environment releases. See, any software application you take in the market, they will be having the versions team. Like in our mobile, how the software will get upgraded. If you're using Android or Apple, whatever the versions that you're using team, every software will have the version. Android 7.1 to 7.5 and iOS 9.1 to 10.2, like that, software upgradations will happen, right team? Any software application in the market you take, their software versions will get upgraded on a timely manner team. In Oracle Fusion applications also, Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. Like for every 3 months, they will upgrade their version for their software team. So when Oracle launched this product, what is the version they came in the market? Since then, how the upgradation happening? What is the environment releases that Oracle applications travel through? That I will be talking here team. Every year, how many upgrades will happen? During that time, as a consultant working on this technology in a company, what will be our role? What we have to do in the real time? That I will be talking here team. Then I will give you a brief understanding about what are the modules we have in this technology. When people used to inquire me, they used to ask me, Kumar, what is functional, what is technical in this Oracle HCM cloud application? What will be the best area for us If I learn only functional, do I have a career in this technology? Or only technical, if I learn, what could be the scope? I usually used to get all these type of questions from people when they are inquiring about the course team. So to give that ice breaking here, team, I will be talking about here what are the modules totally we have in this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud. What comes under functional? What comes under technical? Okay. And one more important point everyone used to ask me, Kumar, I came from a different background. I don't know any coding related stuff. I don't know C, C++, Java, Python, or even a basic SQL, PLSQL, nothing. None of the languages I know. None of the coding components I'm familiar with. In fact, I don't want to learn also because I'm just worried about that coding stuff, everything. Everyone will have this fear with respect to coding team. So do we require any prerequisite to learn this technology? That I will be clearing you here, team. Modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. Then I will talk about Oracle Knowledge Repository. Means where we can access the Oracle delivered standard documents for the Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. Oracle freely provides the standard documentation that what they have developed for all the users in the market team. How to access them in the Google, I will give you the path to access all that materials team. And then I will talk about team Oracle certification process. This is the next question that usually people used to ask me. Kumar, do we have to get certified in this technology to start my career in this Oracle applications? That is the next question people used to ask me, team. So here I will talk about team Oracle certification process. Okay. What is the cost incurred in this? What sort of support that we are going to provide you for clearing that? And first of all, is it really required to do the certification in this technology to start the career? That all I will be talking here, team. And finally, we will be concluding today's demo with the program offerings team. Why to choose Triotech Software Trainings? What will be the course duration? Okay. What is the mode of training? What is the price of this course? What are all the support from the point of placement that you are going to get from our side? I'm going to explain finally, team. So this is what the planned agenda for today's demo. So let me quickly move on to introduction to ERP. The very first concept that we have to discuss will be, team, introduction to ERP. What do you mean by ERP, team? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. See, team, you take any organization in the market, the very well-known Indian companies you take, Tata Group, Reliance Industries, or L&T, okay, any company, Amazon, Google, Apple, any organization in the market you take, team, in every company, there will be different business processes involved. In every company, there will be HR department or HR wing. Okay. So HR people in a company will be taking care of all HR related activities like employee management, employee hiring, their transfers, their promotions, their terminations, their leaves, their salaries, their performance appraisals. That HR department will be taking care team. Employee management will be taken care by HR people. Similarly, finance department or finance business area will be their team. They will be responsible for all the accounts or the payables, receivables, expenses, cost bookings, everything with related to financial side, the finance department will be taking care team. Then if it is a manufacturing company team, supply chain department, procurement department, operations department, then we have sales, marketing, okay, public relations, advertising. In every organization you take team, these all business processes are involved. Rather, different business departments will be involved team. If a company have to operate in the market means these all functions they have to be doing together. HR department should be there to handle the HR related activities. Finance department should be there to take care of financial activities of the company. Supply chain, procurement, operations. Every company will have all these business processes involved team. So the question is team, in order to conduct all these business operations, companies requires a modular tech-based software applications team. You can ask me a question. For example, come to HR business area team because our product is related to HR business area. Come to human resource business area in every company. So what HR people will be doing in every organization team? They will hire the employee, recruit the employee. They will maintain the employee, their transfers, their promotions, their demotions, their resignations. Okay, hire to retire, their leave management, salary management, performance appraisals, their compensation benefits, everything the HR department will be handling in the organization team. So, in order to conduct all these operations, okay, from the point of HR business area, companies require a modular tech-based platform team. Now you can ask me a question that, Kumar, why companies require these software applications? Can't they maintain manually? Yes, team. The traditional way of operating the businesses are manual only. Let's suppose I have a company X is there, for some 500 employees are working in that company. So earlier they used to maintain manually in Excels or in books. They used to write down how many people working in the company. Everyday attendance they used to take in the books, present, absent, and every month salaries they used to pay physically through cash or something, and they used to write down in the book. Okay, for Satish I paid 10,000. For Kumar I paid 5,000 salary like that. But now the dynamics got changed, team. If you see the companies, the size of the companies, if you observe in the market, are very high. If a company having 2,000 employees working, 5,000 employees working, 10,000 employees working in the organization, do you think manually handling all the activities, is it possible? No, right? They can't do, right? So they require a modular tech-based software applications to serve their need. So one such application that Oracle providing in the market is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So this product or the application will be used in the organizations in their HR business practices team. In order to conduct all their HR business activities team in their company, organizations will be using this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. It is a compact end-to-end HR suite of application which will be giving all the HR related services to the company's team. That's why here I have mentioned, see, ERP is nothing but team. It's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' all business areas team. Financial, supply chain, operations, reporting, human resource, manufacturing, and all these business processes also team to be integrated each other. Human resource will be depending upon finance. Finance and supply chain should be interdependent. These all are integrated business processes in a company team. So if a company have to operate, they definitely requires a modular software or the applications team to conduct all these business operations in a more effective way. So ERP is a category or a family at the top. Under that ERP category or ERP family team, there are many products available in the market, like Oracle company providing Oracle Fusion applications team. And Oracle also having e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards. Along with that, we have team Blackboard, Northgate, Pegasus, Salesforce, SAP. These all are the different ERP products available in the market. So one such product that offered by Oracle is our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications team. So ERP is a category. In that, all these are different ERP products that are available in the market team. This is about a brief about ERP concept team. Next, moving on to what is Fusion application? Okay. See, if anyone asks me, Kumar, what is Fusion application? How you will best describe as? Okay. How you will best describe as? I can say that team, Oracle Fusion applications can be best described as they built on open standard based platform. They built on best business processes and they can be deployed through selection of options team. So I can tell them Oracle Fusion applications built on open standard based platform. They built on best business processes and they can be deployed through selection of options. What is this team? Built on open standard based platform. See, whatever that you are seeing in the red color icons team, Oracle SOA, WebLogic Server, JDeveloper, OBIEE, Web Center Content, Identity Management, these all are the different individual technical tools available in the market team. The backend schema of the Oracle Fusion application software was built on these individual technical tools available in the market team. So anyone from development background joining today's demo, they can able to note how the application backend schema built. So just for your information, I kept here team. In interviews, no one will ask you about this one. But as part of understanding the application on a high level, to be shared with you the additional information, I kept this component here team. That is built on open standard based platform. And then team, Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes. This is something very important everyone should understand team. What is this? Built on best business processes. Whatever that you are seeing here team, Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel. Okay, what are all these team? These all are the individual ERP products available in the market. So come to this slide, you will understand team. Oracle Fusion evaluation path. Okay. Prior to 2006, way back, prior to 2006, all these are the individual ERP products available at that point of time team. Oracle EBS R12 e-business suite is one of the ERP product that is owned by Oracle Corporation team. PeopleSoft Enterprise is owned by PeopleSoft. JD Edwards Enterprise and JD Edwards World owned by JD Edwards Corporation team. Siebel is owned by Siebel Corporation. During 2006 or prior to 2016, all these are individual ERP products available in the market. But the concern here was team, none of the ERP products at that point of time is very stable, mature in all the business areas team. It means if you take Oracle's e-business suite, Oracle EBS is very famous for financials business area team. Oracle financial side, it is very famous in e-business suite. If you take PeopleSoft team, PeopleSoft is very good and matured and successful in HR business area. But PeopleSoft is not that good in financial, supply chain, procurement, or other business areas team. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials business area. Siebel is very good at CRM, customer relationship management team. Then Hyperion is very good at reporting area. But the concern at that point of time was team, none of the existing applications in the market is very stable, matured in all the business areas in the company team. So what Oracle did in the year 2006, Oracle with $18 billion acquisition, acquired all the existing ERP products in the market at that point of time. Anyhow, Oracle having their own product that time, EBS. Along with that team, Oracle acquired PeopleSoft from PeopleSoft. They acquired JD Edwards. They acquired Siebel. They acquired Hyperion. All the best ERP products that are available in the market at that point of time, Oracle acquired them with $18 billion acquisition team. So what Oracle did, Oracle taken the best knowledge from the market team. So it took financial knowledge from e-business suite because e-business suite is very good at financial business area. So Oracle taken the knowledge of financial from e-business suite. Then from PeopleSoft, it took HR knowledge. Then from JD Edwards, it took procurement and financial knowledge. Okay. Then from e-business suite, it took financials knowledge. From Hyperion, it took reporting knowledge team. So by taking the best knowledge in the market team, Oracle developed new product that is Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications team. So in 2006, Oracle acquired all these companies. In 2011, Oracle introduced these Fusion applications into the open world. That is why I kept the point here, team. Fusion applications built on best business processes. Whatever is the best of the best in the market at that point of time, Oracle taken the knowledge from all these products and they built the Fusion applications team. That is the background of Oracle Fusion applications. And here some of you by this point of time getting a question. Kumar, in 2011, you are telling the applications introduced. We are in 2023. Fusion applications are that old products, almost 14 years, right? Okay, it's not like that, team. In 2011, officially Oracle announced it, team. But in 2015-16 onwards, the actual utilization of this application in the market came from 2015 and 2016, team. The actual penetration into the market happens. Now, if you ask me, I can proudly tell Oracle Fusion applications is very stable application in all the business areas, in HCM, in financials, in supply chain, in procurement, any business area you take, team. In all areas, Oracle Fusion applications are very stable, very matured. That is the reason many customers or many companies in the market buying this product for their in-house day-to-day operations team. That is a point where the huge customer base Oracle acquiring for Fusion application. And one more important point everyone should understand, why the demand for Oracle Fusion application is phenomenal now. Why the packages for the consultants working in this technology is very high means already the existing ERP products, all these are owning by Oracle team. So Oracle having a huge customer base compared to other products in the market, Workday or Pegasus or Salesforce, anything you take, team. They are not, they are very far away from Oracle compared to the customer base. The reason behind this, team, there are multiple product portfolios Oracle offering in the market. So already whoever the customers using e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Oracle stopped selling these products in the market. Oracle insisting all these customers to move to Fusion. This is the next future for next 15-20 years that Oracle informing to all their existing customers, team. That is a point, team. A part of new customers adopting Oracle Fusion, all their existing customer database, who using e-business suite, who using PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, all these customers were moving to Oracle Fusion, team. That is the reason where since last 1-2 years, we have seen a very high conversion of customer base for Oracle Fusion applications we are seeing, team. That is a point where the vacuum got created. Means There is a huge customer base. As such, it is a new application. The consultants who working on this technology are minimal. So that is a point, team. This is the right time for who want to switch your careers from existing domains to Oracle Fusion applications, team. The packages offering in the market now at this point of time, there is no industry barriers, team, like 10% hike from your existing package or maximum 14% hike, nothing. We have seen the cases like 100%, 150% hikes people receive. Means a person with 8 lakhs of package, let's say, been placed with 16, 18 lakhs package, team. So that level of demand created due to that, team. From the last 2 years, we have seen a phenomenal growth in the customer adoption of Oracle Fusion applications. The reason is two things. Fusion applications is a very stable product which is catering all the services to the client. Secondly, the existing huge customer base of Oracle, the e-business suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards customers switching to Oracle Fusion applications. These are the two reasons why since last 2 years, we are seeing a very high demand in the market for the consultants who learn this and ready to start their careers, team. And then Fusion applications can be deployed through selection of options. What is that, team? When a company buy this product from Oracle, the application will be delivered in different forms, team. We have on-premise and a cloud deployment options, team. On-premise means this is the old traditional way of deployment. Means customer, as the name itself telling, team, on premises means company who buying this product from Oracle, they have to buy the application, they have to buy the server, install that server in their office premises, and install that application in that server, team. Then they have to also buy the data center from Oracle. The application installation, application maintenance, application data networking, storage, security, everything, patching, upgradation, everything, customer company only used to maintain in on-premise model, team. This is the old tradition model. But now Oracle stopped selling the product in on-premise option, team. Completely Oracle Fusion applications are now offered on a cloud-based technology. It's a cloud platform-based application, team. Means what, team? Cloud means what, Kumar? See, cloud is nothing but, team, any application or a software that is hosted over the internet. Physically, you don't need to install any software in your laptop or PC, team. Okay, the application will be delivered just in the form of this URL. See, this is the cloud application, team. Our Oracle Fusion applications, I mean to say. In the form of URL, the application will be delivered. You can copy paste this application URL in any of the browsers, team. Google, Firefox, Explorer, Edge, anything. See, just pass the URL, give a search. See, team, the screen is getting loaded here. The screen is getting loaded here. I will be able to enter into the application, team. See, actually, sign in user ID password, it will ask, team. But in my Google Chrome, for all other batches, I will use the same application, team. The password and user ID got saved, team. That's why I entered into the application directly. But ideally, it will ask for sign in user ID and password like this, team. So anywhere did I install the application in my laptop or in my computer or anything that I'm doing? Team? Nothing, right? The application is in the form of what? URL, like our Google Gmail. How you will use Gmail, team? Just you will go to Google Chrome or something. You will type as Gmail and you will be logging with your user ID and password. Then you could able to access your Gmail. That is what cloud-based technology means. So nothing to be installed like old traditional way in your laptops or PCs, team. Just a URL. Once you pass it, okay, once you pass it and you give a search, team, then you can able to enter into the application. So deployed through selection of options means that one, team. So on-premise completely Oracle stopped, team. There is nothing like that. Now, completely the services offering to the customers in Oracle Fusion applications are on a cloud-based option team. Within that public cloud, private cloud, we have a couple of options team. From the consulting point of view, we ideally don't require to go to that extent. So even I don't want to confuse you by explaining all these things team. Okay. So this is about what is Fusion applications team. Now let me move on to types of companies involved in this product. What is that team? I'm using a word since last 15 minutes. Customer, client, the words I'm using. So I want everyone to be familiarized with this team. Experienced people, you already know this. But keeping everyone in mind, I want to take 5 minutes to cover this slide team. What is this team? Any software application in the market you take team, there will be three people involved in utilization of that product. One is service provider company, one is client or the customer company, and the other one is team consulting companies. What are this team? First of all, whose application is this one? Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application is whose application? Who is selling this application in the market team? That is service provider, or you can call it as vendor also. Who is selling the product? Example, Oracle India Private Limited. Ideally, team, Oracle will be selling the product in the market because that is owned by Oracle only, this Fusion applications. But Oracle also will give some partnership for other companies team, for IBM, Deloitte, Accenture, Tech Mahindra. That is from the point of sales. Oracle will be providing platinum partner, gold partner, silver partner, like that. Means on behalf of Oracle, even these consulting companies also can sell the product outside. For example, team, iPhone is there. Okay. iPhone will be sold by Apple Store directly. At the same time, the product will be sold by Big C, by Lot Mobiles, by Bajaj Electronics, everyone, right? The same approach here also. The product is owned by Oracle Corporation. Oracle directly sell the product to the companies or the customers in the market. At the same time, the other IT companies also will be partnering with Oracle for selling their product team. So service provider company is nothing but team, the company who sell this product. That is called as service provider or vendor company. Then second team will be client or the customer company. This is something important for us team. Client or customer company. Who is a client team? Company who is purchasing the Oracle product. Means, for example, Reliance Industries, Virgin Mobiles, L&T Infrastructure. Let's suppose team, Reliance Industries now planning to buy Oracle Fusion applications in order to use in their in-house day-to-day business operations team. So Reliance Industries will be the client or the customer company who will be purchasing that product and using the product in their day-to-day life. That is called as client or the customer team. So Reliance will be buying the product from Oracle. He is the service provider team, let's say. Then who is the third company involved team? Consulting companies. Consulting companies are nothing but so-called software or IT companies in the market where we will be working once we complete this training team. Companies who is implementing the product. Here team, you have to understand the relationship. This client company is there. Reliance buying the product from Oracle. Reliance is not a IT company. They are into different industry businesses. They are into manufacturing, they're into retail, they're into telecommunications, different things. Now, Reliance buying the product from Oracle. So, Reliance need a company who will be implementing the application according to their requirement team. When a customer buy the product from Oracle, the application, the blank application will be delivered team. So there should be a company who will be configuring the application according to the requirement team. So Reliance Industries, what it will do? Reliance will give the project to so-called consulting companies in the market. Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini. These are the consulting companies or IT companies in the market who will be doing the projects, IT projects team. So these are companies who is implementing the product team. So the relationship will be like this. Client will buy the license or the application from Oracle or the service provider. Then client will give the project to consulting. So client means for Oracle also Reliance is the client. For Deloitte also Reliance is the client. So we will be working in these companies team. In the market, in so-called IT companies, we will be starting our careers or we will be working team. So when our company receives the project, we will be deployed in that project and we will be working on the implementation or what type of project it is, support, implementation, testing, that all team. So these are the types of companies involved in any software applications in the market team. Okay. Okay. So service provider means what we understood team. Client or the customer means whom we understood. And consulting companies, what they will do, we understood team. So next, moving on to Fusion environment releases team. So as I told you, when Fusion applications introduced in the market team in 2011, Oracle introduced these applications, right team? So in 2011, Oracle, when introduced the Fusion applications in the market team, they came up with a version of R1, release 1 team. Since then, Oracle applications evolved. Now we are in which year team? 2023 we are. So from 2011 team, the Fusion application versions upgraded like this from release 1 to release 13. Release 13. Now, if anyone asks you in the interview or anyone of your colleagues asks you, what is the latest version of the Fusion application? Tell them we are in release 13 team. So in 2011, when Oracle introduced the product, they came up with R1. Since then, it got evolved, the sequencing or the versioning team. Now we are in R13, release 13. Okay. And one important point here I want to make team. R13 we reached in 2017 only team and early 2018. End of 2017 and 2018 only we reached to release 13 version. But since then, Kumar, no upgrade, no team. It's not like that. What Oracle did was, Oracle taken a decision. We want to keep R13 as a static release version for Fusion applications. So in 2018, Oracle announced this one. There will be no further sequence changing for Fusion application. So Fusion applications version will be R13. They made it as static. As of today, their policy is same. There is no change. But probably next year or after a year, if they change, I don't know. But as of today, release 13 version for Fusion applications, they made as static version team. Within that, they are changing the versioning numbers. What that I will tell you team. And one more thing, I told you on-premise and cloud deployment options are available earlier in the Fusion applications. But now Oracle stopped on-premise, I told you team. From release 1 to release 9, okay? From release 1 to release 9, Oracle sold the Fusion applications both in on-premises model and cloud deployment model. During this time, whoever the customer you bought the Oracle Fusion license team from release 1 to release 9, Oracle sold the product both in on-premise and cloud models team. Okay. But from release 10 onwards, Oracle stopped selling the on-premise model team. Purely now they have changed the Fusion applications only in cloud-based model only. There is no on-premise model in Fusion application. This is one thing I want everyone to share with. And now coming to the upgradation policy. What is the pattern? What is the time frame that Oracle will follow for providing the upgradation to their application team? Oracle follows quarterly upgradation policy team. Quarterly upgradation policy. What do you mean by quarterly, Kumar? Every year, how many quarters we have team? A regular layman understanding that quarter means every 3 months. We have 12 months in the year, Jan to December. Every 3 months is the quarter team. So Oracle designates each quarter as A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D. So Jan to March, first quarter. Then April to June, second quarter. July to September, third quarter. Then October to December. This is fourth quarter in the year T. So Oracle designates the 4 quarters in the year as A, B, C, D. Okay. So every 3 months, quarterly means every 3 months, Oracle will provide upgradation to the application team. What will happen, Kumar, during that time? See, Oracle is a global product team. It's not something normal customers using this one. Small companies can't afford this application. Very big companies only, in crores the licenses will be there, either lakhs or crores basically. So in order to give the top-notch service to the customers who using their applications team, Oracle investing a lot in the research and development. So Oracle will be collectively taking the feedback from their existing customers, any issues that encountered in the application, any bugs are there, any new features their customers across the globe are requesting to add on in the application. So they will be working on all these research and development team, the existing bugs, okay, any issues are there that fixes, any new features they want to add on, any existing unused features are there in the product which customers are telling we don't want globally, removing that features, that all they will be doing team. Every 3 months once they will upgrade the application. During that time, new enhancements, new features they will introduce in the product. Simple team. As we all familiar, the mobile that we are using in our day-to-day life, our software, when it got upgraded, we will be seeing some differences in the appearance, right? The look and feel will be changed. Some new features will come into the mobile. Okay. Same here also, team. This is also a software application. When the upgrade happened, team, some new features or enhancements will come in the application. Some existing features which will be not using mostly will be deprecated. Then any issues or bugs are there, they all will get fixed. That all will happen when they upgrade their product team. So what is the current version as of today? Let me take that in the example, and I will try to decode how the sequencing Oracle following team. So if you go to the application team, so I'm trying to log in with my credentials. I will talk about this usage. What is this user ID, password, what are all these functionalities, how to sign in. In our next session on Monday, I will talk about them. I will introduce to you the application on second demo team. But today, let me show you what is the latest version as of today, because I want to make you clear on what version the training will be conducted. As of today, what is the latest version we have? We are going to conduct the training on that only team. So see, if I click on sign in, basically, I will be able to sign in into the system. Long time as we on the same screen, that type of error will come. Just refresh and sign in team. Now I could able to sign in into the system. This is the home screen of the Fusion applications team. The look and feel of the application like this it will be. Okay. So what are all these? What are all these icons that you are seeing? What are all these functionalities? What are these 3 lines? This all intro I will talk in next session team. So where we can check what is the version of the Fusion application team. Here we have settings and action button team towards the right. If I click on this, at the bottom, I have something called team about this application. See, if I click on this one, I can able to see what is the latest version of the application team. See, the current version of the application is, Kumar, you are telling release 13, no, where it is? R13, right? It is? Yes, team, it is R13. It is R13. Okay. See here, application development framework, REL13. Middleware extension framework, REL13. Then database compatibility, REL13. And here you could able to see something called 23C. This is the latest version of the Fusion application team. Release 13, 23C, 11.13.23.07. This is the latest as of till date, the Oracle Fusion applications team. So let us try to debug this one team so that you will understand what is this sequencing Oracle will follow. See, current is 23C. What do you mean by 23C team? 23 stands for the current year that we are in, 2023. C stands for the quarterly upgrade. Oracle designated each quarter into A, B, C, D. 23C means we are currently here team. Now you can ask me a question, Kumar, we entered October, no? So it should be 23D, no? Next quarterly upgrade will be 23D team. Then why it's not upgraded? Yes, team. Sometimes it will take. So next November first week, it is getting upgraded to 23D. There is a slight delay in this quarterly upgrade team. So 23C means 2023 and in the third quarterly release it is. Now next upgrade version will be team release 13 23T. Prior to this, we traveled from 23B, okay, 23A. Then next year team, it will be 2024, right? 24A, 24B, 24C, 24D. So every quarter, when they are upgrading the application team, this sequence number will change accordingly. Which quarter upgrade it is? Currently, we are in 23C release team. So next, the upgrade will be 23D. That is the sequence Oracle will follow. R13, no change. So now the version is release 13 23C team. And what is this sequencing, Kumar? Is there any way that we can hardcode decode this one? Yes. 11 stands for 2011, the year which Oracle introduced this product in the market. 2011. 13 stands for release 13, R13. Okay. And then team 23 stands for 2023. Okay. And 7 stands for team. We are in which quarterly release now? 23C. In third quarter, what is the first month team? July. Correct? July is the first month. July number is what? Out of 1 to 12, 7th month it is. That is 017. So every quarter, when Oracle upgrading the application, the sequencing for the versioning will be followed like this. Next version, take a note of it. In next 10 days, the application is going to upgrade to 23D, 11.13.23. In last quarter, what is the first month team? October. October month means what? 10, right? It will be 10 here. So if anyone want, take a screenshot and validate if you have a doubt team. So like this, quarterly upgrades Oracle will follow. Every 3 months, they will upgrade their application and their versioning will be changed like this accordingly team. A, B, C, D, each quarter. Then current financial year and which quarterly release that is team. So in real time, when we working in the project team, in the implementation project or in the support project, when we are working team, every quarter when the application is upgrading, there are certain activities which we have to be performing as a team. Like we have pre-upgradation testings, regression testings, and preparing the impact analysis document team. Every quarter when Oracle coming up with the upgrade team, what are the new features that they are introducing in the coming release, everything. Oracle standardly delivers all that materials team. So we have to explain to the client. We have to prepare the presentation and so we have to present it to the client. Like these are the new features coming in. Okay. These are the new features coming in and we don't have any impact with that. If you want to use them, you can use them like that. We have to educate our client during the project scope team. And when the upgradation happening, we have to do certain testings of the application. The day-to-day transactions client will give. Kumar, these are the 100 transactions that we usually perform in day-to-day life. Please check it out. Any impact is there to this or not. So before upgrade, we will test. We will record the pass and fail record. Whatever is the response. And after upgradation, again we will do testing team. That is post-upgrade testings, sanitary checks and all. These all very initial to discuss team. I mean, very early to discuss team, I mean to say. Once we cover the entire configurations, when I'm talking about the placement workshop session team, I'm going to conduct a workshop on placement preparation and how the implementation project, how the support project will be there in real time, how we will be working in a company. Let's suppose team, many of you having a concern. Kumar, I don't have any IT experience as of now. I don't know how IT will function. Once I got a job, unfortunately, how the team will be there in the company, to whom I will be reporting, who will be the project manager, what he will do, what I have to do in the project. That people from non-IT or usually who doesn't have any software IT experience, they don't know team. So we will be conducting a workshop on that team. In real time, if you are part of implementation project, what are all the activities that you will be doing in that? What are the different phases we have from kickoff meeting to till go live? What are the different documents we have to prepare and we have to present to the client? What is requirement gathering? What is RD50? What is core configuration workbook VR100? Everything we are going to brief you in that workshop team. And in support project, what we have to do. During that time, I will also explain you every quarter when upgradation coming up, what are the activities that we will be performing as a consultant working for the project team. Because interviewer will ask you this all generic understanding. Subject wise, they can able to evaluate you in 15-20 minutes, whether you have a subject knowledge or not. But you are a genuine person, worked in the company or not, they will be understanding by taking all these general discussions team. Like if a person really worked in the company, in the project, he know everything, what happens in the project, right? Let's say if interviewer asks you, tell me what are your responsibilities, what you will do once you come to the office at 10 o'clock in the morning, what you will do in the office. As I'm keeping some kind of experience and I'm going, I don't know really what happens in the company. That even you should be known when you are going for the interviews team. So that all we will be giving you the ice break in workshop session team. During that time, I will tell you what activities further we will do. As of now, I want everyone to be clear on the aspect of versions. What is the first version that Oracle introduced in the market? What is the latest version? And how every 3 months, every quarter, when the upgradation happening, how the sequencing or the versioning numbers Oracle following the pattern. Right, team? Now, I will move on to modules we have in this Oracle Fusion applications team. So team, as today is demo, I will be extending the session for more 15-20 minutes team. Please bear with me. This is the important thing that everyone should understand now. From next session, we will be following the times on a very rigid lines. Okay, 8 to 9 sharp will have the batch closure. Okay. So let me talk about team modules that we are having in Fusion applications team. This is one important thing everyone should be very clear when they're learning this course team. And in fact, people used to ask me the very first question, what is technical, what is functional, and you are telling techno-functional batch. What is this about? So everyone should understand first of all team, what are the components we have in this technology? So we have team different modules in this Fusion application team. What are they? let me list out first of all total concepts. I'm not going to skip anything. Total concepts we have in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Then I will differentiate team. What comes under functional, what comes under technical, and where any prerequisite is required, any coding is required or not. That I will talk about here, team. So this entire Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team, we are having different modules in them. Like we have core HR, or you can call it as global HR team. We have a module by name. Then we have absence management. Okay. Then we have payroll management. Then we have talent management team. Talent management team. In talent management, we have again sub-concept team like goal management, performance management, then talent review, then succession management. Like these are the components we have in talent team. Then we have compensation and benefits. Basically, these two are two different modules team. Compensation is a different module, benefits is a different module. But usually as a terminologies, if we have to speak, we used to spell together compensation and benefits we will call team. But they are two different modules all the way around. Then we have team OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. And then we have some advanced modules later on introduced by Oracle team. Earlier, these were not available, whatever I am listing down now. Later on, Oracle introduced these modules also. They are OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Then ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then we have team Help Desk and Safety, etc. team. These are the modules we have in Fusion application team. A part of this team, okay, a part of this team, we have some other concepts also available. What are they? We have something like team. We have something like team security administration. Okay. Then we have something like workflows and approvals. And we have sandbox. Okay. And then we have team inbound integrations. Here we have three tools available team HDL, SDL. Okay. Earlier we used to have PBL also, but there is no PBL now. It got decommissioned by Oracle team. And then we have outbound integrations. Okay. Here we have team BI reports, OTBI reports, and HCM extracts. Okay. And then we have a component called team fast formula. Okay. So these are the total components we have in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. Okay. So now coming to this, if I have to segregate what are functional and what are technical in this components team. See, all these modules, what we have team, these all comes under functional side of the application team. All the modules, we will call them as functional team. These all are functional side of the application. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation, OTL, OLC, ORC. These all will come under functional side. Even here team, security, workflows, sandbox. Even these components also team, I can call them under functional only. But in market, like our institutes who offering the training programs team, they will be segregating these components under the technical side team. But as a Oracle delivered structure of the application, these components will be handled by functional person only. So these concepts also, technically speaking, comes under functional side of the application only team. Where is technical? These components team. Even fast formulas also, though it is a technical component team, usually functional consultants only will handle in projects, or else you can rely upon technical help. So these components team will come under technical side of the application. So these are functional and these are technical side in the application team. So every module will have a specific purpose team. In core HR module or global HR module, the entire organizations of the client, we will be configuring team. Like what are the companies that our client having, what are the departments they're having, hiring the employees in the system, maintaining the employees, their transfer, promotes, demotes, resignations, everything. Entire employee management will be handled in core HR module team. Then absence module you take. In every organization, as we all know, different types of leaves will be provided, right team? If you people are working in any company, you know, right? You have leaves, vacation leave, annual leave, casual leave, privilege leave. All that leave management will be handled in absence management module. Configuring the different leaves, their rules, their policies, everything we will define in absence module. Then payroll will be dealing with salary. Every month, employees have to be processed with the salaries, right? So the entire salary management will be handled in payroll module team. Then every year, we have to conduct the performance evaluation. Based upon that, employee promotion, demotion will be decided team. So that will be handled in talent management team. Then we have compensation and benefits module. A part of salary, any other compensational things you want to pay to the employee, like you want to announce bonus, you want to announce overtime, you want to announce some shares or stocks to the employees, you can handle through the compensation module team. Then benefits module will be their team. In many countries, there will be insurance schemes. Employees, as per the government rules, have to be enrolled with the insurance things, medical insurance, dental insurance, healthcare insurance. That all will be handled in the benefits module team. Then we have OTL module, Oracle Time and Labor. What is this team? In every company, time recording is very important. Based upon that only, how much we have to pay to the employee present or absent, we will be noticing team. Like time sheets filling, then punch in, punch out, biometric capturing, swipe in, swipe out of the card when we enter into the office, at what time employee entered, what time employee came out. That all will be captured in Oracle Time and Labor module team. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. See, if you have an experienced team in any company, when you onboard, you will be asked to attend some mandatory trainings. Some video classes will be given to you. You have to complete that training, and they used to conduct then and there itself some exams. You have to clear that mandatory trainings and all team. So within Oracle Fusion applications team, OLC module will be serving that purpose to the client. Any trainings internally they want to conduct to their employees, the video classes, instructor-based trainings. Through OLC module, you can able to schedule, you can able to manage team. Learning cloud, that is. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Actually, team, for all the recruiting purposes, like when employees required in the company, the concerned department will raise the request to HR. We require 10 people for this position, like that. So the HR people will approach all the job portals, they pull the data, conduct the interviews, schedule the interviews, then selecting the candidates, releasing the offers, onboarding them. For all these activities, team, we have one module called Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Priorly, clients used to use Oracle's recruiting tool called Oracle Taleo. This is one of the recruiting tool available in the market team. Even now it is available. They used to use Taleo and they used to integrate both the systems, Oracle Fusion and Taleo team. But Oracle is in a plan to replace Taleo team. So they included Oracle Recruiting Cloud within the Fusion applications only. So all the recruiting activities you can handle in that team. Help desk and safety is a internal ticketing tool, kind of any service request employees if they have to raise to the concerned teams. Internal ticketing tool for support activities team. That is one module we have. See, these are recently added advanced modules team. So if you ask me, the rapid adaptation also as of now not there. ORC, OLC now we are seeing in some of the implementations team. Help desk and safety, I have not seen personally in any of the clients that I worked on, 10, 12 projects at which I worked on. But there is a module available. So I have to tell you what are all we have in the system. I have to keep that one also team. Then team, in security administration, we will be talking about the user accounts, their access, everything team. Like whenever employees are being hired in the organization, in the application, whenever you hiring team, the application portal access to be given to the employees also, because they have to apply the leaves, they have to check their pay slips, they have to check the year-end documents. For all this stuff, we have to give access to application team. So how in the Fusion application security built, that will be talking in security administration team, user account management and role management. In Fusion application team, entire security built on a concept called a roles-based access control. That all we have to talk in security team. And in the application, we have a concept called team workflows and approvals. Means what? Any transaction that we performing in the system, we can route via approval team. Means today employee applying a leave, it should go to concerned manager for approval, concerned HR for approval, or HR hiring the new employee in the system, it should go for his concerned manager for approval. So for every transactions team, we have an approval mechanism which we can implement team. That we are going to see in workflows and approvals. Then we have a concept called sandbox, means customization and personalization of the application. Let's say my client is telling Kumar, here I want my logo to be coming and I don't want this background color as blue. I want some other theme. And these fonts, I don't want like this. I want to change the color of the fonts. I want to change the icons of this. And even on the page level also, some of the sections, Kumar, I want to hide. I don't want. Like that, any customizations or personalizations if you want to do, okay, there is a concept called sandbox team. We are going to handle that in sandbox. Next team, coming to the technical side of the application, inbound integrations and outbound integrations. What do you mean by this team? Inbound means, see, when we going for an implementation project team, for example, Reliance Industries bought the product from Oracle and Reliance given the project to Deloitte. Let's suppose we are working in Deloitte company team. Okay. So when we going for a project, till that time, Reliance might be using some other ERP application, right? Some localized ERP, or let's say they are using SAP as of that day. So Reliance is having 40,000 employees team. 40,000 employees data is there in Reliance existing SAP ERP product. Now they want to migrate to Oracle Fusion HCM team. So that 40,000 employees data, I have to migrate to our Fusion application team. How can I do that? Manually, we cannot hire the employees in the system. It cannot be done. Not only that team, any data from outside the system, you want to bulk upload into the Fusion application team. We have inbound integration tools. The data inbounding into the system. We have HCM data loader, spreadsheet data loader. So these are the two data migration tools available in order to migrate the bulk data into the system. At the same time, any data that you want to extract from the application team, outbound integration we call. Data outbounding from the system. Reports team. My client want to generate a report. Kumar, in the month of October, how many employees I hired? For how many employees I have paid the salaries, how many employees applied annual leave this month. So any sort of reports, if they want team, they have BIP reports, OTBA reports, HCM extract reports team. 3 reporting tools Oracle given in Fusion HCM cloud applications team. Then fast formula. This is a component which will be used in absence, payroll, compensation, benefits, in some other modules also team. Any validations you want to implement, any calculations if you want to implement, fast formulas will be helpful team. So these are the total curriculum or the subject, not curriculum, total components that having in this particular technology team. Okay. So here I want to talk about, before moving on to our course program discussion team, in next 5 minutes, I'm going to wind up. Once you learn this technology team, as many of you asking one more thing, the prerequisite requirement. Do I require anything before learning this course? Absolutely no. There is no prerequisite to learn anything. I mean, there is no prerequisite to learn this technology team. I mean to say, you might be from any background, any graduation, you might be from BA, BSc, BCom, MBA. It's not necessarily you have to be from BTech or MCA. Any background, MBA, MSc, BSc, okay, BBA, BCom, MA, BA, any graduation you might be from team. You can able to learn this technology and companies will accept the profile. In ERP applications, companies won't have any constraint with respect to your graduation that you passed out in. They only check whether you are a graduated person or not. Secondly, okay, Kumar, I don't know any languages, any coding I don't know. Nowhere here you require coding team. Complete functional you take. Zero coding, nothing. Not even an SQL is required anywhere. In technical also, in this BIP part exclusively. In extracts also to an extent we have, but you can manage without that also. Only in this BA reports team, you require SQL understanding. Okay, you require SQL understanding only in this part team, because we have to write a query and we have to extract the data from the backend database tables team. Only in this one component. Kumar, I don't know SQL. Then skip this concept. It is not mandatory for everyone who pursuing the career in this technology or who want to sustain in this technology also team. All the components you don't need to learn. In fact, no one in the market will have understanding about all the things. You have to be picking up some from functional, some from technical team. So if you ask me in the market how the job roles are there team, the recruitment for core functional consultants are also their team. Very good. Okay. Recruitment from core technical consultants also their team, and techno-functional also their team. Okay. So if you want to learn only functional, then you can drop your resume as a functional consultant team. If you want to learn only technical, then you can drop as a technical consultant team. Kumar, I want to learn both functional and technical. Means not everything, some from functional, some from technical you can select and you can drop as a techno-functional team. So all the 3 categories, the recruitment in the market is happening team. But if you ask me personally, techno-functional profiles will have an advantage in the interviews team or in the initial screening to schedule the interviews also. If you are a techno-functional consultant team, your profile screening will be initially taken rather than a functional or a technical guy. Only technical if you learn, you have to be struggle team. Why? Because in a project, if if 10 consultants are working, ideally that many won't be, but let's assume 10 consultants, if they're working in a project team, 7 to 8 will be functional team. Okay. 7 to 8 people will be functional. Only 2 people will be technical team. Why, Kumar, you are telling that? Means in e-business suite, the technical scope is very high. But in Fusion application, the technical scope is very minimal because a functional consultant also can handle the technical things easily, team. That is the reason in real-time projects recruitment, if you take team, in a project of 10 people size, 6 to 7 people or 7 to 8 people will be functional consultants team. 2 or 3 will be technical consultants. So only technical if you learn, it's not that suggestible thing as far as my knowledge is concerned, the industry that I am seeing from the last 5-6 years. I suggest to go with techno-functional consultant team. Then Kumar, what I have to learn in techno-functional consultant? Because I don't know SQL, can I still drop my resume as a technical? Happily team. Any 3 to 4 modules from this you pick up team, functional side. That's all. 3 to 4 modules. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent. If you have time, compensation or OTL, any other thing. Maximum 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 modules pick from functional. Then these 3 concepts you can add along with the modules team. Security, workflow, sandbox. In technical side, inbound integration you can learn team. In outbound integration also, OTBI and extracts you can learn. If you can put aside BI reports team. Okay, then fast formulas you can learn. So with these components also team, you can drop your profile as a techno-functional consultant. So market as of now, clearly recruiting all the 3 cases team. If you ask me as a priority, number 1, number 2, and number 3. This is how the priority, if I have to share, the demand in the market team. And coming to the packages, how the packages in this technology will be there. And what is the scope of this team? See, coming to the scope, any ERP applications you take in the market team, they will have a very long shelf life. Means like other technologies, every 2 years, every 3 years, I have to learn something new and I have to switch to the new technology, nothing team. A person who's starting a career in these ERP applications will be sustained in these technologies for next 15-20 years team, because ERPs will have long shelf life. E-business suite, since last 25 years we have team. Let's take SAP team. Since last 30 years that is there in the market, still people are working on that. So ERP applications will have that advantage. So if anyone want to move to IT in this technology team, they will be having a very long shelf life. No need to be moved to other technologies frequently every 2 years, every 3 years, and recession impacting. In ERP application team, there will be very less impact in the recession time team, because these are the fundamental applications to run the business. Okay, these are the fundamental applications to run the business team. So without these applications, company's operation will not happen. So even in the recession also, we haven't seen any impact on the recruitment side or on the job security side. We don't have any issue on that also team. That I can tell you. And coming to the packages, how we have in this team. As of now, a freshers and experienced, both recruitment is happening in the market team. Freshers will be offered, one sec team. Freshers will be offered, okay, with a package of 5 LPA to 7 LPA team. That is what a freshers are getting in the market team. And an experienced person with 3 years or 4 years experience, if you are dropping a resume in this technology team, then your package will be somewhere between 15 to 20 like that. But ultimately, it's we who have to committedly learn the technology. In the interview, until unless we prove our skill, the packages varies accordingly team. But on an average package, I have mentioned here. Now coming to the course curriculum, what we are going to cover as part of this program. Okay, course details. What are the timings? How many days program it is? In this training, we are going to conduct Oracle Fusion HCM techno-functional training team. From the functional side, core HR, absence, payroll, talent, and here compensation team. These all modules will be covered as part of this modules team. Then security, workflows, sandbox, then inbound, outbound, fast formulas. So these all components will be covered end to end on an implementation perspective in this program team. And the duration of the course will be, okay, duration of the course will be 2.5 months to a period of 3 months team. And in number of hours, if you ask me, it will be 90 plus hours duration it will be team. And the timings will be every day, Monday to Friday. We have the sessions at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. As today is a demo we conducted on Saturday team, the next session will be on Monday. So you can attend the same link on Monday also. I mean, you can join the session on Monday also with the same link team. And the timings for the sessions every day will be Monday to Friday morning 8 to 9 a.m. In this training, you will be getting team live training every day with the lifetime access to videos. Let's say team, if you miss the session any day, you will be having a backup. We are not going to share the sessions in an unprofessional way. We have our own dedicated LMS portal team. Once you go to our Triotech Software Trainings.com, you will be having your login created here team. Once you click on login, you will be given with your credentials team. Once you pass your user ID and password, you will be entered into the dashboard. Okay. Okay. You will be entering into your dashboard like this team. Then here, if you scroll down, you have your enrolled course here. And you can go to your course. Okay. And then you can able to click on the course one by one. Day wise, you can see 1, 2 with topic names team. 1, 2, 3. See all the sessions every day will be uploaded in the portal here team. You just go on that and you can able to play the session team. These are password embedded for the security reasons. It will be given to you over the email after the enrollment confirmation team. So every day sessions will be uploaded in the portal, and this portal access will be for lifetime. Once you get the access team, you can able to reset your password and you can keep it for own. So lifetime access to the videos will be given for this program, and for practicing 5 months stable private server access will be given to you. The most important thing you have to find out here is team. Usually you will be receiving demo instances for practicing team. Means every 3 days or every 5 days, Oracle refresh the data. Whatever the configurations you do in the system, it will be refreshed. Again, you have to configure from beginning team. But here we have our own dedicated server team, which we partnered with Oracle. 5 months, you will be given the stable server access for practicing. End-to-end, full life cycle of implementation, you can practice in. No data refresh will be happen on that one. And along with this, we will be providing you the customized materials for all the modules team. They looks like this. Okay. When I say customized materials, this is which I personally prepared team. Let's say this is core HR module material, 130-page document it is team. All the concepts in core HR with explanation from day by day, whatever the classes we conduct, day wise it will be their team. All the explanation of that with screenshots and navigations, how to configure that, what is that. From the point of interview preparation team, it will be very helpful to you. It will be like a class running notes. Separately, if you want to prepare a notes, you can prepare, it's up to you. But everyday class notes, what I'm going to configure in the system with explanation, with screenshots and navigations. For every module, this customized material will be given to you team. Along with this, we are going to provide you the assignments for every module wise. It will be like this team. We will be asking you to configure the system practically team. We are going to give you the scenarios and we will ask you to configure the system. So this will be common practice throughout the modules team. assignments and their evaluation and feedback will be given to you so that you will get the hands-on knowledge or practicing knowledge on the application, how to configure everything team. And for every module, we will be also providing you the interview questions and answers team. Okay, when I say interview Q&A, both fresher point of view, the fresher interview questions as well as experience interview questions, both will be given to you. So we have a drive folder team, HCM batch materials. This will be given access to every participant. You can download all the materials module wise. And if I go to interview questions here team, so all the questions I can see, these are real-time scenarios which you might be experiencing in the interviews team. So all real-time scenario questions and their answers. Okay. And from the freshers point of view, we have fresher questions. Module specific, we have the interview question and answers team. And the sample resume folder also will be given to you. So all sample resumes to prepare the resumes team. So our team will help out to you in preparing the resumes also team. Resume preparation also will be included as part of this. And mock interviews team, the most important thing is every Saturday and Sunday, we will be conducting the mock interviews team. Whoever completed their trainings, whoever interested, you can reach out to us for enrolling into the mock interviews team. Okay. We will be conducting the mock interviews from the real-time industry experts team so that you will be able to understand the expectation in the interview. So before you attending the interviews, if you attend these mocks, you can understand till that time what preparation that you have done, but what really the interviewer will expect in the interview. If I conduct with the real-time working professionals, the mock interviews team, it will give you a lot of confidence and the way that how you have to prepare will be given team. And along with that, as I told, workshop session for the interview preparations also will be conducted team. Like implementation project means what we will do. Support project means what we will do. Once we get the job, once we enter into the company, what will be our day-to-day activities as a consultant working team? That all we are going to give you a practical exposure in the workshop session. And coming to the doubts part, we will be having our dedicated WhatsApp support team. So once the enrollment completed, you will be added into the group and we will be sharing the support number. Any questions you have, you can post to this team. And many of you have my number also. I will be also available on that number team. You can reach out to me directly. If anyone want to personally come and meet me to discuss anything, you can come to our office. I will be available between 10 to 6 every day team. Okay. So this is about the course offering. And the course price or the enrollment price will be, course fee will be team 25,000 team. So in this, these all benefits you are going to get, that whatever I have listed out. Okay. So whoever not yet contacted, you can please reach out to me on this number team. I'm just posting it in the chat button here to everyone. So please check out your chat. You'll get a pop-up now. You can take this number and you can call me. Or whatever the Google form that our team sharing with everyone, I request everyone to please submit your details in the Google form team. So that we will be reverting back. So again, the next session will be on Monday. Tomorrow is Sunday. We have a holiday team. So next session will be on Monday, same time at 8 a.m. So I request everyone by today and tomorrow, please confirm your enrollments team so that we could able to share access to the course dashboard, that what I mentioned, and also the environment access, materials, and adding you to the WhatsApp group. Everything will be done by today and tomorrow team. So from Monday, we will be kickstarting our session scheme at 8 a.m. You can join the session. So I will conclude the discussion here for today. We have two more concepts actually left out, that is Oracle Knowledge Repository and Certification Process. These concepts I will take in our next session on Monday team. So let me go for question and answers now. So anyone having any questions in today's demo team?
Yeah, Kumar. Myself, Srinivas. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, Srinivas, I can able to hear you. Please.
Yeah, I'm from IT background and a developer. I'm the Java developer. I have various skill set